Hey Wahai! Welcome to the virtual assembly!
We miss fall sports so much that we thought that we would cheer you guys up with our Wahai fight song.
I'm your ASB Vice President, and here are the other exec officers.
Hello, I'm Jaden Bergevin, your ASB President.
Hi, I'm Audrey, and I'm the ASB Executive Secretary.
I'm Lauren Johnson, your ASB Treasurer.
Let me introduce you to our new ASB Advisor, Miss Melgoza.
Hi Wahai, it's Miss Marilyn, your new ASB advisor. I hope that you all have had such a great start to your school year. I hope that you are figuring out Zoom, that you're staying engaged, staying involved. Don't forget that we are here to support you and here to make sure that you are having a great year. And so make sure to stay involved, stay engaged, and go Blue Devil!
This month's challenge was to submit a picture of your dog to the ASB Instagram, and here are the winners.
Hey Wahai, I'm here to introduce you to our new science building. As you can see, Mr. Higgins is being a great man and opening the door for me. The room you are seeing is sort of like a rec room. There's a large TV along with a lot of sitting arrangements for students. This space is a place for students to sit and socialize and maybe do that homework that you forgot to do the night before. As we walk down this lengthy hallway, we approach Ms. Schultz's new and improved classroom. There are 8 classrooms in the new building and all are very large. The new classrooms are equipped with new sound systems, new projectors, and most important, heating and cooling. The school is undergoing a lot of construction, including the parking lots. The parking lots will not be completed until the construction of buildings are done.
This is a message from Mrs. Bird.
Hi Blue Devils, I'm Mrs. Bird and I teach science. I love being a Blue Devil because we take care of each other. We just want you to remember that we're here for you to help you have a great year.
Here are a few farewells.
Hey Wahai, I'm Jaden Bergevin, your ASB President, and I wanted to take a couple of seconds to let you know that even though we're not at school, school is still doing some really cool things. ASB is currently working on a bunch of really fun events like a video game tournament, to a cooking show, to a podcast, to a bunch of challenges, to just a school-wide Kahoot game, which is coming up really soon, and the prizes are well worth it. So yeah, check your emails, join our Remind, and follow us on Instagram. And yeah, other than that, wear your mask, social distance, drink some water, eat some vegetables, compliment a friend, smile at a stranger, and have a great day. Go Debs!
Well, hi students, it's Mr. Higgins. How are you doing? I'm missing you guys, but I'm happy to connect with you on this video. I'm excited. ASB is making plans that even while we're in distance learning, we're gonna have a great year. You're gonna get a chance to see a little bit about the science building. It's gonna be awesome. But soon, we're gonna have you back at this place. This building right here, you're gonna be coming in here, and I can't wait for that. Take care, you guys.
Follow Wahai ASB on Instagram.
Be safe and wear a mask!
Have a great day!